Color and styles. You can customize the style and formatting of the source and target texts. Let's take a look at the default settings. Here we see blue and green for pre-translations, yellow for the machine translations, and gray for human-translated texts. Each of these can be customized to your working preference. Not only can you choose the color scheme, but also the size, style, and background of the text. We've already learned how to customize our editor background and our working shortcuts. Now let's look at how to customize the fonts and color indicators. Click on the Settings icon to customize your working space. Under the Color and Styles menu, you have several different areas of customization. The first area of customization is for the source text. Here you can change the background color, font size, font style, and font color, as well as set a different color and formatting scheme for each type of memory hit. If you would like to revert back to the default style, simply click Restore Default Values under any of the menus. The target text can also be customized. Here we can set the same types of values for the target texts as well as for the type of translations, including machine translations. You can also customize your translation memory hits as well as your revision styling. Try a few different configurations and find what works best for you.